Hey everybody, this is Tom from DLD Drum School and a big welcome back. And this video is one of our reference videos. If you are watching this video, then you must be taking your DLD Drum School journey seriously. Because the truth is, these reference videos, they are not anywhere near as exciting as how to play and rhythms. But what they are doing is taking a deeper dive into the DLD Drum School methods and techniques that after decades of experience teaching, I know for a fact absolutely work and help you to improve your drumming to do it like a drummer. In this video, we are going to look at an incredibly strange part of our body. It's the mouth. And when I say to my students on their very first lesson, one of the most important parts of your body for a drummer is your mouth, they look at me like I have gone crazy. And I understand and I don't blame them. But trust me, it just works. So to understand why the mouth is so important, we need to understand how our brain works. Now, the most common situation is somebody is playing a rhythm, all of a sudden, accidentally, let's say, for example, the right leg does something we don't want to do. So I want to play the rhythm that's on the screen, rhythm number 2, which begins bass and snare and accidentally my body will go bass and snare bass. And then what I see so many times is people will look at the part of the body that went wrong. They will look at the right leg, almost as if they're saying to their own leg, "You stupid right leg, why did you do that?" Now imagine your right leg could talk. What would it say? It would say, "Don't blame me, mate. All I do is what you tell me to do." So most of the time, almost all the time, when our body goes wrong and does play something different to what we wanted, it has got nothing to do with your physical body itself. It's because the brain is sending the wrong message. So we need to make sure we control the brain to control the body. And the mouth is so crucial in doing that. So I want you to use the analogy that your arms and legs are like the children in the classroom, and your mouth is the bossy teacher. Now, most of us who've been to school, we have all had the teacher who asks us to do something and it's like, you don't take them seriously. And the children end up going out of control doing, bad behavior. That's what happens when your body plays something you didn't want it to do. So with the mouth, we are not asking our arms and legs what to do. We are telling them. So for example, if I am transitioning from rhythm 2 to rhythm 3, bass and snare, bass, bass, and snare, and. My mouth is giving a bossy, clear instruction to my arms and legs. I am telling them what to do, and they must follow my instructions. Bass and snare, bass, bass, and snare, and. Now, as I said, trust me, it just works. When you are stuck and your body isn't quite following what you want it to do, switch on the mouth. It is such a simple but powerful method of controlling the body, telling your body what to do as the link between the brain and the body. Very useful when you're reading music as well. Get used to the idea of verbalizing the rhythm. Again, say what you see, read the rhythm, read the notation on the screen or in your book. Say what you see with the mouth, tell the body what to play. Now, obviously, we don't want to be using our mouth the whole time. It reminds me of when people are learning how to ride a bicycle, and first of all, they have those small little stabilizer wheels on the back to give them balance. That's kind of the mouth. It helps us when we're breaking down a difficult rhythm to give us stability. Now, what's the first thing the child wants to do after they have the stabilizer wheels? They want to take them off. And the mouth is exactly the same. So use it as a temporary measure to help you work through any difficult rhythm, any difficult section of a piece of music. Once you've got it, commit it to memory and switch the mouth off, because we don't want to really be verbalizing and talking during a live performance. Now, the second reason why using your mouth is so powerful, and again, it goes back to understanding our brain, we're using this simple description that the front of our brain is kind of your normal conscious self controlling what's happening right now. And we have the subconscious part of our brain in the back trying to help us and give us instructions. Now, trust me, whenever your brain is not quite sure what to do, and if you're playing a rhythm and in the moment you're thinking, what do I hit next? The back of the brain will be shouting, "Oh, it's probably a bass drum. It's normally a bass drum. Just throw in a bass drum." And before you know it, you've hit a bass drum and it wasn't actually what you wanted, because that voice is so loud and powerful. So if you find that the voice in the back of your mind is shouting at you and giving you, or basically helping you to guess the rhythm, by the way, guessing never works, so don't go down that road. If you're accidentally guessing a rhythm and incorrectly hitting different parts of the drum kit, again, the mouth is so powerful. If you're reading music, the eyes together with the mouth are going to be more powerful than the back of the brain. But without the mouth, the back of the brain will win. It will make you do things that you don't want to do because it is so powerful. So use that mouth to take control. Make sure you say what you see. And trust me, it is a really simple and useful, powerful method to control the brain, to control the body. The mouth is the link between the brain and the body. So whenever you're stuck, just switch on that mouth, verbalize the rhythm. You will be amazed how often it gets you out of trouble and helps you to solve the problem and break down a rhythm bar that otherwise you were struggling with. And that's it. It's a secret weapon. It's very powerful. Have loads of fun with that. Keep on practicing, keep playing, and remember, everything you do, do it like a drummer. For difficult rhythms, use your mouth.